Hi guys, and welcome back to another Squid Plays TCG pack opening. We are back with another Lorcana set. As you can see, it's from the Shimmering Skies. So yeah, we've got 5 packs to open. Let's see if we can get any good hits in here. We'll go with the Penelope pack first. I need to work on my opening skills. Clearly. Alright. Thank you, that's down. So we're starting off with a white rabbit. No, I was right. It's just the last one, so upside down. Night Howler Rage. Evil Comes Prepared. A Minnie Mouse. What is going on with this pack? It's all over the place. Ever As Before. A Sneezy. A Turbo. A Monstro. Invites to the Ball. Sir Ector. A Maximus. And a Gathering Knowledge and Wisdom. Lovely. There we go, that's a nice one. Nice and easy for me. So it's a lovely set. There's some lovely cards in here. Especially some of the Enchanteds, of course. I know one of them is the Mufasa, if I'm not too mistaken, or Simba. Might be, I think it's Mufasa. There's a lovely Mufasa Enchanted in here. And wouldn't that be lovely to get? So we've got Sherwood Forest, and we go straight into a Sheriff of Nottingham. And we've got an Archimedes. Oh, we've got an Archimedes, normal, and the foil in the same pack. Lovely. It's not a great start. We're looking for... we're always looking for Enchanteds. Legendary would be nice. I haven't really gone too much into this set. I started more off on the Azurite Sea. So I've nearly got a full master set of the Azurite Sea. So it's not really like I'm trying to get anything in particular. It's just if I can get anything nice. Hypnotic Deduction. Snowana Rainbow. Penelope of Von Schweetz. Another Archimedes. A Chaka. A Mickey Mouse. A Nala. A Hideaway. A Scar. A Prince Philip. A Maximus again. Into a Dock. On to the next card. What can we get at this time? Very strange. Some of them are upside down, some of them are... yeah. So we've got a Hypnotic Strength, a Flora, a Donald Duck, a Healing Touch, a Merling, a Derpy, a Sapphire Chromicon, a Mother Gothel, a Pete, the Queen, Nana, and an Uncommon Bruni. So that was the second to last pack, so we're now on to the last. Nothing big so far, so let's hope we can get something from this. Last pack, Magic. If there's any time to do it, it would be now. We've got this silly upside down pack. We're starting with a Gale, a Hypnotic Deduction, a Potion of Might, a Gazelle, an Upside Down Tanina. When Will My Life Begin? Tropical Rainforest. All Funned Out. A Sleepy. A Denahi into a legendary. Clarabelle. That's one of the best legendaries you can get. It's very good. Lovely stuff. I do love the shimmer, like the raised effect on the cards. The newer legendaries. Lovely stuff. Got ourselves a legendary there. To end it off with Vanellope Von Schweetz. But there we go, guys. We got ourselves a legendary card. One of the better ones we can get in the set. Put that there. I'll sleeve that up and add it to the collection. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully next time we can continue our luck and open some more packs. I'll see you next time.